Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for April 19th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair first. This particular pair did gap down at the open but pulled back, closed higher overall. We are looking for this pair to continue moving, moving overall to the downside, but possibly moving back up into this area of sideways movement. Not sure if it's going to do that or continue lower. We'll just have to wait and see. This particular pair, we are looking for it to potentially go as high as 92.97, possibly as low as 91.11. Look for some resistance around 92.88 and look for some support around 91.55. Now, the EURUSD pair, this particular pair closed higher today. Didn't quite fill the gap as of yet. Looking for it to do so in the next session. Overall, this pair is moving sideways with a bias sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 136.42, possibly as low as 133.94. Look for some resistance around 135.44 and look for some support around 134.05. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed higher, didn't quite fill the gap as of yet, still looking for it to do that. Look for this pair to go potentially as high as 154.14, possibly as low as 150.98. Look for some resistance around 153.90 and look for some support around 151.85. Now, looking at the US Swiss, this particular pair gapped up, closed lower, had a pretty high pullback, but did move lower and close lower, didn't fill the gap. Looking for that to occur during this next session. Look for it to potentially go as high as 10748, possibly as low as 10569. Look for some resistance around 10650 and look for some support around 10575. Okay, now as far as news analysis goes, we do have the Bank of Canada releasing their interest rate decision tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus is they're going to hold rates at 0.25%. I do anticipate that happening. Now, what I'm looking at is probably a little bit different than what you're normally used to. Basically using a carry pair, the Euro Australian. If we back out a little ways, you'll be able to see that this pair is definitely to the downside. The Australian dollar has a much higher interest rate than the euro currently, and it is pulling a lot of interest from there. Now, if you notice too, we had a gap last week that was not closed, and basically I'm looking for this gap to be closed during this next session. What that looks like is using a stop or a sell at around the 144.95 area and looking to take a profit about 37 pips down from there, from that point. So looking to sell right here and looking to exit the trade right here. The reason for that, one, we've kind of zipped through that particular price, those particular prices before. I do believe we'll do it again. Plus, we have the strength of the carry trade going in our favor. This pair overall is trending down, very strong. I do believe we will go through that at that time. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.